Well, a little bit of excitement this morning. Welcome back. Yeah, the hurricane did a number on this road here. Anyway, a bunch of rain. I ran out of time to charge this trailer, or didn't get around to it anyway, so I brought the generator and the battery charger to get that dumped out this morning. Getting ready to go air up some tires because I'm going to take this other trailer back. And we got an excavator on the way. Stay tuned. Here she comes. Ye doggy. Woohoo! It ain't less big, but it'll be all right. Well, she's here and she's unloaded. Hyundai 140 AL, hydraulic thumb. We'll be back tomorrow and we are going to make a mess or get rid of some water. One of the two. Gotta pull the Mini back tomorrow. Got a septic tank job to start Tuesday. Might take 2 days, but we'll drag that back to the shop and knock that little septic tank job out. 140's back there, skid steer's back there. Fixing to go get the dump truck and back it in here. Hopefully, I don't know what I'll do Monday. I don't know if the dirt pit's open. I might get some dirt and try to get that road pushed back in there a little further. I'd like to get it back in there where I can turn around at least and not have to keep backing everything in here or pulling in here and backing out. I need a nice turnaround spot back there. But as you can tell, I mean, we still got plenty of water, but it's gonna be all right. It's gonna be all right. Back at it today. It's Labor Day, getting a late start because we went to the race last night in Darlington and didn't get home till 2 o'clock. So my lazy bum slept in this morning. Anyway, we're going to do something out here today if it's wrong. Slowly gathering some tools that'll be beneficial. So let's see what we can get into today. Brought some more dirt in today. That's, I don't know, about 1 load there. Got another load put through here. 2, 3, 4. I brought 6 loads of dirt in here. Granted, they're 12-yard loads. But yeah, little dump truck, little farm truck did good. It's got some things that need to be worked out on it, but all in all, it did good. It brought the dirt down the road. I don't know what's going on? The neighbors over there is getting rowdy. Anyway, yeah, little farm dump truck did good. Maybe another week or so, let this set up, maybe get rained on a little bit, and bring some more granite in here. Maybe run up the road with the dump truck and get 1 or 2 loads and dress this off, have something so it won't be getting so muddy. All right, I'm gonna go push some mud out the way and see if I can't get the rest of this fill dirt knocked down in there, see how far it'll go. Got all this raised up. I think I got it raised up another 6 or 8 inches through here. Once it sets and dries out, I think it'll be good. I hadn't been able to do this. Got the truck backed across this pipe. Anyway, the pipe's underwater, you can't see it. Yeah, you can. You can see the edge of it there. But anyway, that's one feat accomplished. You can tell we still got plenty of water. I got a 8 foot, well, 6 foot, 8 foot wide ditch. Runs all down through there, around the pine tree, back off in that way. And everything I open up just turns to water. So it is what it is. I'll get off in there. I about got a little place cleaned off, back off in there where I'm gonna start a pond, and hopefully that'll take some of this water off of this, at least take some of the pressure off. Shouldn't have any problem staying full, and we'll go from there. All right, put some fuel in the excavator, and be back at it tomorrow. Well, it's coming along. I don't know, 3 more loads of dirt in here this morning. Had some people asking, wanting to know what I was gonna do with the water, trying to get across this pipe and around the corner here. Well, what I had to do is come in here and muck it out. Just dip it out, dip the mud out. There's actually got down to some hard stuff down there. It's just mud sitting on top, but got a little hole there, dipping the water out, pumping the water out, as long as my pump will hold up. Anyway, get this thing backfilled before we get any more rain. And then I've been rolling it in with the dump truck. So I don't know what that truck weighs loaded, but that's the only means I got to roll it in, pack it in, but seems to be working. losing the battle. Finally got across that pipe. Got the road dressed back up. The dump truck was churning it up a little bit on the entrance, in and out. I think I got 12 loads on my little small triaxle on the past 2 days. Anyway, see my flags there marking my pipe. Still ain't sure that's going to be sufficient, but right now it's holding up. And yay, got back this far. So I can actually drive on that with the pickup. I don't know if the loaded dump truck will drive on it, but at least I can get back here now. That is, you don't know how happy that makes me. That is awesome. All right, I'm gonna hop on the Hyundai 140 and go clean up a little place to start a pond back off in there. All right, finishing up the day. Like I say, we got some more dirt in here. My son's been on the tractor back in the back bush hogging. Got this built up. Finally got across this ditch and swamp. Still got plenty of water. But man, bittersweet to be able to get equipment back here. Also went back there and started cleaning up area for the pond. I'll walk back there real quick. I got a big old pile of debris. Gotta do something with, probably set it on fire once it rains. Everything around here's wet, but I don't want any embers to get over on the neighbors. Yeah, it's so nice to be able to get equipment back here. I can even drive the pickup back here now. Anyway, I think I'm gonna go off kind of in there to the left. The original road goes to the right, I'm gonna go to the left and carry a road back in there. But yeah, this is kind of where the pond's gonna be, the first one, the small one. And then we'll have a big one in the back. But anyway, that's what it is. It's where we're ending the day. It's gonna be a couple days before I get back over here. Might come back over here Sunday, but it's Thursday. I'll be around town tomorrow. Won't have a chance to get back out here, but yeah, bittersweet. Small victory. All right, we'll catch y'all next time.